determinant of a matrix. So the question says if the determinant of this equals to the determinant of this, we should find the value of x. So a determinant of a matrix, let's say A, determinant of a matrix A is denoted by det A. It's denoted by det A or the absolute value of A. So when you see det A, we'll ask to find the determinant. When you see that A, that means determinant of a matrix A, or when you see the absolute value of A, that means the determinant of a matrix A. So the determinant of a matrix, let's call it A, equals, when we're given a question A, B, C, D. So the determinant of this is this multiplied by this multiplied by this minus this multiplied by this minus BC. So the determinant of A equals to AD minus BC. So let's go back to the question given. So in the question, they said 5, 3x2 equals to 5, 4, 5, 5. So we're going to find the determinant of this side. So the determinant of this side equals 5 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by x, which is equal to this multiplied by this, that's 5 multiplied by 5, minus this multiplied by this, that's minus 4 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10, minus 3 multiplied by x, that's 3x, which is equals to 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25, minus 4 multiplied by 5, that's 20. So 10 minus 3x equals to 25 minus 20, that is 5. So we're going to subtract both sides by 10. So we're left with minus 3x equals to 5 minus 10. So minus 3x equals to 5 minus 10 is what? 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So our x now, I'm going to divide, to find our x now, I'm going to divide both sides by minus 3. So our x equals minus 5 divided by minus 3. Minus 5 divided by minus 3, which is equals to 5 over 3. So this is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I remain Osinka Maths. Do well to subscribe and like this video. Thanks. Bye.